Good morning, everyone. Chris here from the Mindbloome Exchange, and we are looking at Tesla. Based on what we called earlier, I made two hypothetical theses stating if at 409 we didn't make a hard correction, we would be teetering up all the way up through here and possibly to the 458 to the 483 marker. Now, as you can see, the level that we are at currently, we are sitting at a pivotal level here, 441. Why I say it's pivotal, because I'll explain in 2 seconds, is this median line here that we created earlier in our last video, which I'll connect to, will either give us this. We'll either create resistance and create from here, and then we'll drive us forward up again, or we will pop off here to the 480, 458 first. Let's see how that interacts. And then from there, see a little correction. I wouldn't be surprised to 422. And then from there to the 480 marker. That's what I'm currently seeing at this present time. So like, again, I'll show you right now here, we got some resistance. So if we jump into, we already are at 30-minute, which is good on the time frame. Let's jump into 5-minute, just so that we can sort of see, based on what I'm seeing here with this present market, I wouldn't be surprised we break up, make a correction, go to 458, and then we see a correction down. That's sort of what I'm seeing at this moment in time, based on how much drive this market has. You mean we break this level of resistance here, which would indicate to me the drive up for 458. From 458, you can either run the correction down to the 415, which is another median line, which makes sense. So I'll bring us out to 30-minute so you can see. Or what would happen is we just keep driving up to the 485, 490 marker. From there, definitely a correction. These are monthly levels here, so you mean we need to see some type of interaction or retracement or something from it. So that's sort of what I'm seeing here. We break up from the level that we are at 450 here. So we break our wonderful 441. We break 441. We go to 458. 458. We either correct to 418, or we drive up to the 483, 492 marker and then see a larger correction. So that's currently what I'm seeing at the moment in time. Now, we could technically have a correction here, back down to, like I said, 418. This is a decent level of support. As you can sort of see once, twice, even almost 3 times this market is being pushed off of this nice fresh level here. So that's sort of what I'm going to see moving forward. I'm going to play this like you are. I'm currently not in Tesla, so I'm waiting for this market to break up or down. Let me just make this all prettier so then you can see exactly what I'm trying to say. So these tops here, something like that. So you're at 441. We break 441, then yeah, it's a buy. It's a buy till, you could say it's a buy to 449. But if I buy in from here, I would probably be running it up to the 458 marker at least. And then from there, I'd be looking at a correction. How deep? Not sure yet. But then from the 458, we can, like I said, I'm trying to not get those lines. Like I said, that's sort of the play that I'm sort of going with is we break this wonderful line, we go up to 458, 458 correct down to 419, 420, and then from there you can drive up to the 480s, 490s, 492, or we continue to break from 480 from the 458 marker, and we just continue to move up gently and slowly up to the 483, 492, and then we'll see a larger correction there. So that's the sort of the play for this morning that I sort of see at this present time. Any questions, let me know. I'm doing a Q&A as well. If you're interested, send me a message today at 7 p.m. MST. Answer anybody's questions on the market, trading, etc. And yeah, I look forward in making the next video for you all. And let's not be so reactive in this market. And let's just wait and watch. And like what is it? Like a lioness or like a lion or like a cougar, you wait for your prey, or in this moment, the market to come to us rather than for us to go to the market. And then from there, we can trigger on the right trades to give us the highest ROI possible, right? So example, if we do the 458 marker, then the long projection up would be there. My stop loss would probably be at this low here, touch lower here, and my entry would be there, but my stop loss probably would be a bit lower, would be right here. So that risk to ratio would be 1 to 6, which is not bad. It's not a bad ratio at all. So that's sort of the idea or the concept that I'm running with myself. However, I'm very well aware that this market can correct. So if it doesn't do this, I would expect it to do this, and then if from there, then I'd be looking at it as a buy at this level here. So that's sort of the play. Thank you so much for the morning, and I will hopefully try to run another chart on NVIDIA and hopefully BTC, and then we'll go from there. Take care and have an awesome morning. Trade safe.